This is the video for Hansen equation lesson 14. This concept is a little bit more challenging, so if you're struggling with it or you don't understand it after this video, feel free to ask for help or rewatch it or get any kind of help that you might need. So we're going to start with this equation. 2x minus star is equal to 12. So for this, when I go to set it up, I put two blue pieces, and then I need to take away a star. But I realize that I don't have a star to take away, I only have blue pieces. So to do this, I'm going to add what's called a convenient zero. If I remember from my additive inverse property, if I have any number, like take negative 1 plus its opposite 1, that's going to equal 0. If I have negative 100 plus positive 100, it's going to equal 0. If I have negative 8 plus positive 8, it's going to equal 0. No matter what I have, if I have a negative number and then I have its opposite positive number or the other way around, it's always going to equal 0. So I have 2x and I need to take away a star. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a convenient zero. So that means I'm going to add a blue piece and a white piece. Together this is equal to nothing, right? It's x plus negative x or x plus star. It's like adding 0 basically to my equation. Then on my other side it's going to equal 12. Now it's very easy for me to take away this star. That's the reason I'm doing this. I could add as many zeros to this as I want, but the only one I need, or the convenient zero, is this one, so that I can take away my star in my initial problem. So now it's really easy. I have x plus x is equal to 12, so I know x is equal to 4, and star is equal to negative 4, and there's really no way to go back and plug it in except for from this initial equation. 4, 8, 12 is equal to 12, check. Let's try another one together, so clear your boards. I have, in this next equation, I have x minus 3 star plus 2 is equal to 8 minus 2x. So again, I'm going to go set this up. X, oh no, I don't have 3 stars to take away. So this time, I'm going to need to add 3 convenient zeros so that I have 3 stars to take away. Remember, I'm just adding basically 0. 3 times. Well, now I have 3 stars to take away. Plus 2 is equal to 8 minus 2x. Now I don't have 2 x's to take away here, so what I'm going to need to do, I'm going to need to add a white piece and a blue piece, which is a 0. I'm going to need to add another one. Now I have 2 x's that I can take away from this side. So now my ending equation is really 4x plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 star. So what I'm going to do here, I know that I have 2 on both sides, so I'm going to take away, 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 take away. My goal of any hands-on equation is to isolate the value. So what I'm going to do, I notice that I have my 6 on this side, so I really need to get rid of these 2 stars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 blue pieces on this side. I'm going to add 2 blue pieces on this side so that I can cancel these guys out. Remember, whatever I do on one side, I always have to do on the other. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x is equal to 6. So x is obviously equal to 1, and star is equal to negative 1. So now I've got to put it back, way back. The difficulty here with putting it back is I have to look at this line. 4x plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 star. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2 is 6, 8, 7, 6. So 6 is equal to 6, check. Again, this is a really tough concept at first, so make sure you ask for help if you need it, or go back and rewatch this video. Otherwise, you can get started on Hansen equation lesson 14.